Hi, welcome to Peaceannie and Wolfpack's World.
Wow, Wolfpack's world and Peaceannie's world. Hey, this is where you have a lot of fun, enjoy yourself. So, anyways, on the start of this video, we're gonna do this another freehand because it's actually fun to do freehand stuff, like improv. It's actually really cool. We never really thought about it because Anne Marie has no freaking clue. Like, just look at her. Do you even think she has a clue?
I have a clue.
Yeah, the clue is what am I gonna do next?
No.
What do you think? What do you think?
Come on.
Come on, what do you think I'm gonna do next?
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Okay, well, I guess apparently she has no clue because she
Okay.
does not know what I'm gonna do next. So you can rub all your hair all you want. It's nice. You look cute. I'll be right back after these important non-messages because nobody sponsors us.
Oh,
Or why don't you just stay there?
I'm going for a walk.
Where are you going?
I gotta show them my something. It's a surprise. I got something new for indoor plant and maybe outdoor too during the summer. I'm thinking. It's right here.
Yeah, who got that for you?
Wolfpack. See? It's beautiful flowers. See? Can you see that? Wow, eh? Imagination, life is your creation. Ah, 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 ah. Here, hold the camera. I'll be right back. I gotta get something.
Oh, she's gonna have to get something there because we didn't like choreograph anything. She has no clue what's going on right yet. Hey, do you want to turn that down just a slight touch? Thank you.
You're welcome.
You have no idea what we're getting into. This is improv, so she's got her own ideals and I got mine, so this is gonna be best.